Hi class, I just wanted to record a quick video showing you where your final exam is and kind of talking about it. So when you log into the classroom, what you're going to do is you're going to click under course content. You're going to scroll all the way down here and it's your final exam. There's a folder for it. So when you click on this, it'll take you to your final exam. So your final exam needs to be submitted by next Monday, 12/21 by 11:59 p.m. Okay, you cannot even submit it 1 second past 11:59. Okay, it needs to be in at that time by Monday. Your exam will be automatically graded. Um, if you submit it early, you won't get your grade back until after the 21st anyways. It's just, um, uh, just because I don't want answers shown around, things like that. So you'll get your grade on Monday, on Tuesday at midnight, basically. So your exam is going to be a mixture of multiple choice problems and fill-in answers. I'm going to show you some of the questions on the exam actually in a second. And you must complete the exam in a single attempt, and it's open notes. You get one attempt at it. Okay. So below is the list of the topics covered. So it covers every single thing since midterm, and I know that's a lot. So you really got to have your notes handy and accessible for you as you go to take it. So there's going to be normal distribution questions, and you should rely heavily on your graphing calculator for that. We've talked a lot about the normal CDF function, sampling distribution of the sample mean and sample proportion, confidence intervals for means and proportions, and then our final topics, hypothesis testing for a mean and hypothesis testing for proportion. So let me just show you roughly what the exam is going to, or exactly what the exam is going to look like. So I'm going to click the exam to start it, and only do this. Let me go back. Only click on this when you're ready to go. Okay, you've got to complete it in one sitting. It's not timed, so you can take 2-3 hours, however long you want. But just once you start it, you need to finish it. So start the final, and then click begin, and then once you begin, you're ready to go. Give it a second. Okay. So the exam, as you can see, is 15 questions. Okay, and all the points are here. So all these questions, like question 1 is about the normal distribution. Just pay attention to when it says something like round to 4 decimal places. So what you'll do is you'll put in here, you'll put 0.1234. You'll go to 4 decimal places. Okay, you'll go to 4 decimal places here in this one. Okay, something like that. All right, any question like that, round to 4 decimal places, round to 4 decimal places, round to 4 decimal places. When there's a multiple choice one, just select the answer you want when you're ready and then just save your answer. Okay. Um, for the confidence interval questions, you're going to notice that it's going to ask you for the lower bound and then the upper bound of the confidence interval. So, use your calculator to construct the confidence interval and then put the lower bound here and then the upper bound here. And then so on. And then there's one problem that involves you to input data into your calculator, so you should refresh up on that, how to do that. And you can see there's 2 hypothesis testing questions. So let me just quickly go through real quick. There's 2 questions. The first 2 questions are on sampling or are on the normal distribution. Questions 3 and 4 on the sampling distribution of the sample mean. Question 5 is on the sampling distribution of the sample proportion. Question 6 and 7 are on confidence intervals for a mean. Question 8 and 9 are on confidence intervals for a proportion. Question 10, 11, and 12 are on hypothesis testing for a mean. Questions 13, 14, and 15 are on hypothesis testing for a proportion, our final topic. If you have any other questions, please let me know. You can email me or post in the discussion forum, and I just want to wish you all good luck.